Standard 12th Statistics, Chapter number 3rd, Linear Correlations. Now we'll be explaining you the sums of linear correlations which are going to be asked for 5 marks in the board examination. This chapter also carries the same weightage as chapter number 2, 12 marks weightage is there. Okay, one MCQ, one sentence, one 2 mark, one 3 mark and one 5 mark questions will be asked from this particular chapter. Illustration number 1. The following observations are obtained for life years of usage of cars and their average annual maintenance cost of specific model of car of a particular company. You are given with life of car in years and average annual installments cost in 1000 rupees. Okay, one is X, life of car is X and average annual maintenance cost is Y. Obtain the regression line of maintenance cost of life of cars, maintenance cost on life of cars. What is the maintenance cost? Y. Life of cars X. So you got to find Y on X. You got to recognize first of all it is X on Y or Y on X. So now it is Y on X. Also you got to estimate the maintenance cost of the life of the car is 10 years. It is very much clear you got to find Y on X. Say X and Y is given. If it is Y on X, you got to find only X square. XY and then X square. No need of Y square. See the following table. This table we have already find out in chapter number 2. We know how to find out this particular table. X bar sigma x upon n, y bar sigma y upon n. Then we will write y on x, y cap equal to a plus bx. Putting the formula for b, the unique formula, the simple formula which we will apply in each and every sum. This formula only we are going to apply in each and every sums. Okay. For short sums we need to apply the formula based on the questions, depend upon the questions. Okay. B equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Putting the values into the formulas, you get the answer for B 3.25. Now we got to find A, y bar minus B x bar. Already we have found y bar 21.25. B we got the answer 3.25. X bar is 5. Okay. We got the value for A 5. C, first you got to multiply B with X bar. Then you got to separate it from Y bar. Okay. Be careful with that. As we got A and B, putting into the regression line y cap equal to a plus bx, 5 plus 3.25x. In the following question it is asked, if it is 10 years then, put in the value of x as 10. We got the answer y cap equal to 37.5. When life of a car is 10 years, then its estimated maintenance cost is 37.5 thousand. See in the y in bracket it is written as 1000. So you got to mention 1000. Thanks.